Okay, this is Gary with Haven Roofing. It is 8 July, 79 degrees, sunny day. We're here at the Lopez's house, and we're going to do a repair assessment. Okay, this is the shingle that we've picked. You can see the creasing and actually tearing of the shingle right there. So this is the shingle we picked. Beneath it to the left is 1, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Beneath it to the right. 3 is to the left, 4 is to the right. 5 is above it to the left, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 above it to the right. And then 2 above it is 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Okay, we've established a control over there. And that is where we will do our light brushing after the repair assessment is done. Right now I'm just going to take some close-up pictures of the shingles above so that we can see if we see any granular loss or creasing that occurs once we have finished the repair assessment. Okay? All right. So the first thing we're going to do is break seal. We're using the National Association of Forensic Engineers methodology for repair assessment. So we'll be using more care than we would normally be using. This process takes about 20 minutes, and we would just not be able to spend that much time doing a shingle repair in a normal situation. All right. So I can tell you, see, we just had a tearing of the shingle. And now this is the shingle to be removed, but it is tearing up pretty badly. Trying to see if I can get from the top down, and we're having problems. Okay, so what we're seeing is extreme material transfer as we broke the seal there. And I think we're probably going to see the same thing here. Again, we're trying to get through this. I can see it's about to tear. Try here. Yeah, okay, so we're seeing tearing as we try to break the seal. Obviously ripped through. Okay. Yeah, it's tearing again. All right, I'm coming at this every direction I can. You can see I'm tearing the top of the shingle, so it's just very difficult. Okay. All right, so again, extreme material transfer as we try to remove this. Let's see what happens up here. All right. Yeah. Trying to get through. Okay, you can see how it's starting to tear. Through there. Okay, all right, so we got through there. We're just lifting. We do see some material transfer occurring. Okay, We had a tear here. Extreme material transfer. All right, this one might come away a little cleaner. He said hopefully. Okay, I think now we still had material transfer. All right, so pretty evident that the difficulty in breaking seal. Okay, and again a tear. All right, so we've had 2 tears and material transfer. I'm gonna go ahead and break seal on this last one and see all right, I do not believe that we're going to be able to successfully break seal without damaging this shingle. Trying real hard. I may have got it there. Let's see. Okay, and we're just looking. We may have actually been successful there. I mean, this looks like it's tearing, but we may not have had material transfer. Oh, and I'm sorry. All right, we tore through here. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to stop the process. We can see that the shingle that we're removing tore when we were breaking seal. Okay, we can see that the shingle above it had tears. Okay, and now we've got a 3rd tear here and 2 shingles above it. Okay, so we cannot ethically continue with this process. It is evident these shingles are not repairable due to extreme tearing and material transfer. That's the end of this video.